Hello everyone! Divide the hair into 4 portions as such, make 4 ponytails out of it. Roll the top 2 sections in on themselves and then join them at the back. Divide the hair into 2 parts, make 2 braids out of it, join them to the 2 braids at the bottom. Start off by tying a ponytail, take a small portion of this ponytail and make a braid out of it. Then continue to create multiple sections in the ponytail, add multiple rubber bands to it as well and loosen the sides using your fingers. As for the bottom, roll the hair in on yourself and tie it up in place. Next, take a hair ribbon and then tie a bow out of it. Now, after this, tie it up to the top of the hair and then using this ribbon as one of the sections, begin to make a braid out of it. Do this on the other side as well. Join this to the braid at the bottom. Once you reach the bottom, tie it up and put it in place. Next, take a section from the front and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair from the front. That is the part of the hair that is closer to the face. As for the back, tie a ponytail out of it. Using a bun stick, roll the hair around it, fold it up and then adjust the hair accordingly. Tie it up in place. As for the bottom, make 2 braids out of it. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, add a decorative bow with a ribbon to it. Using the ribbons as one of the sections, begin to braid the hair as such. After making your braids, this is it. Tie a ponytail, then add a hair twine through the ponytail. Twist the hair around this twine and then wrap it up into a bun. Adjust it accordingly. Next, take a section off the top of the scalp, leave 2 sections at the bottom, braid both these sections. Then, taking a bun stick, wrap the hair around it and adjust it as need be. Next, start off by dividing the hair into 2 parts on one of the sides. Begin to braid the hair in the front and as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Using a bun stick, wrap the hair around this bun stick and then adjust it accordingly. Make 2 braids at the bottom. Thank you for watching.